Good morning, guys. So in this video I wanted to do a power hour, so I'm gonna make up my list, and I have a few things that need to be done. I've been making salsa and sauce for canning all weekend, so my kitchen is a disaster. So let me just show it to you what it looks like another disaster. So I'm cooking the sauce right now. It takes like 6 hours to cook it, so I thought this would be a good opportunity to get some stuff done. So here's my salsa already done. I think I have 34 jars altogether. And then there's my family room, which is awful but not too bad. I got a new food processor, because the one that I bought at Costco, the Cuisinart, just wasn't strong enough. The floors are messy. There's just stuff everywhere. I need to do some more laundry. So I will get my list ready and I'll show it to you and then start the timer and get. So here's my list. It says clean the kitchen, tidy up main floor, quick vacuum of the main floor, no kitchen, laundry, and clean up the downstairs bathroom. So not too much, but not too little. So I'm going to start my timer and start going. I'm not doing very well because the kitchen's done, and that took about 30, I think it took about 20 minutes. Yeah, so I'm at 37-35 right now, and it's going down. So I have 12 minutes left, and I have almost completed the whole list. I've decided I'm gonna do the vacuuming once I'm done doing all the canning, so I don't have to do it 17 times. I mean twice. So I will do, I'm taking the vacuuming out, and then I still have to clean the downstairs bathroom. I'm just waiting for my husband to finish in the bathroom. So I am done. I had 8 minutes left, so I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee and enjoy for those 8 minutes. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, have a great day.